Okay, grade 4. What is the work of SST today you have got is that you have to do the exercise of lesson number 6 along with the question answers, which you have to do in your fair notebook. So, what is the name of the lesson? The Western Desert. What is a desert? Do you know any part or any name of any desert? In India also we have Western Desert. It is a large dry region in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. And next is the location and extent, where it is going and where is the proper location of this Thar Desert. It is starting in Rajasthan. Mostly it is in the part of Rajasthan. But nowadays it is extending towards the southern part of Punjab, Haryana and northern part of Gujarat also. So it is going to be increase. And some part of the Pakistan area is also converting into desert area. 70% of the Rajasthan is covered with desert. That's why we came to know that Rajasthan is not having some kind of plantations which we are doing in Punjab. Therefore, the state is also known as the desert state of India. And Rajasthan is having another name, the desert state. At the east of Thar Desert lies the Aravallis, while the south of it, the Rann of Kutch. The Western Desert is covered with the sand dunes and sand hills. And these dunes and hills keep on shifting from one place to another due to the strong winds blowing in these areas. So sand dunes are going to change, or they are changing their places just because of wind. We know that sand can easily move with the wind. It can easily go with the wind because it's very light. So whenever a strong winds are coming, they are moving from one place to another place. Next is climate. Natural vegetation and wildlife in the Western Desert. What about the climate? The climate of the desert area is extreme climate. Extreme means when it is hot, it's very hot, and when it is about cold, it becomes very cold. It receives very little or no rainfall. Some areas are getting rain, but few of the areas are never getting the rain. And sand, we also know that gets heat very quickly. And when night comes, it cools down very easily. So days are hot and nights are cold. The temperature is near about lying there 40 degrees Celsius, and when it drop down means at night it's going about 0 degrees Celsius also. And Rajasthan is the hottest state of India. Very hot in summers and very cold in winters. So little amount of rainfall they are getting. Next is natural vegetation. Due to the scanty of rainfall, not much vegetation grows in the Western Desert. So they are not able to grow vegetables, they are not able to grow the crops also. So what kind of vegetations they are having? They are having only trees, shrubs and herbs. And next is wildlife. The Thar Desert is a home to several species of reptiles, animals like black buck, Indian wild ass and the Indian gazelle are found here. Gazelle, remember? Chinkara. And it is also a good home for peacocks, great Indian bustard, and spotted fly catcher. Many desert animals have light colored fur, which helps to keep them cool. And there is a park also in Thar Desert area, and you have done that questioning also, what we call that park. And next is life in the Western Desert. What about the life? Jaipur is the capital, we all know that, of Rajasthan. State share its boundary with Pakistan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. People of the state of Rajasthan generally live a simple and traditional life. What about occupations? The main occupations of the people living in the desert are agriculture and rearing animals such as sheep, goats and camels. वहाँ के लोगों का काम बेसिकली डेजर्ट होने की वजह से एग्रीकल्चर तो है, जो 30% एरिया है वहाँ का, 30% एरिया में एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं. बाकी जो हैं उनके लिए एनिमल्स रेयर करना, और कौन कौन से एनिमल्स की रेयरिंग करते हैं वो शीप, गॉट्स एंड कैमल्स. Main crops which are grown in that 30% area is bajra, pulses, jawar, maize, sesame and groundnuts. And if we are talking about food of Rajasthan, very few vegetables grow in desert area. The people of Rajasthan use dried lentils and beans in their daily food. Gram flour is a major ingredient here. It is used to prepare some of the delicious recipes of Rajasthan like gatte ki sabzi, pakodi, mangodi and papad. Dal bati churma is a famous dish of Rajasthan. Means जो सबसे ज़्यादा मशहूर है वो है दाल बाती चूरमा. And drainage, Rajasthan receives very little rainfall, so there is a shortage of water in this area. People use water from wells and tanks to irrigate their lands. Some of the parts of Rajasthan also have a few area of Indira Gandhi Canal, one of the biggest canal project in India. It starts from river Satluj and ends near to Jaisalmer.